Are you craving apple pie but don't want to cheat on your diet? Stay tuned for this one. Let's cook. Welcome to episode 5 of our protein pack parfait replacements. Today's ingredients are vanilla protein powder of your choice, salted caramel Greek yogurt, unsweetened applesauce, graham crackers, coconut oil, caramel syrup, and reduced fat Cool Whip. We're going to begin this recipe with adding 1 serving of graham crackers, which is 2 crackers, into a plastic bag, smash until like a crumble, then adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to create a pie-like crust. Next, we're going to add 5.3 ounces of salted caramel Greek yogurt. For this recipe, we're using the OIKOS, followed by a half a cup of vanilla protein powder of your choice. For this recipe, we are using the Dymatize mass gainer. Mix until smooth, and then add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened applesauce. Now for assembly, we're going to start with our graham cracker crust on the bottom. Pack that down. Then add in our caramel apple flavored Greek yogurt. Go ahead and top it with a half a tablespoon of caramel syrup and 1 tablespoon of reduced fat Cool Whip, and enjoy. Wow, if I didn't know any better, I would think I was at my grandmother's house. This tastes exactly like apple pie. Macros down below, guys. If you like this video, please give it a like, consider subscribing, and see you tomorrow. Don't forget the threads, baby.